Making a beautiful acrylic sign like this is actually pretty straightforward. Let me show you how. Here's our design in Adobe Illustrator. On a separate layer, we have the cutting path for the router cutter. In order to be recognized by the RIP software as a cutting path, you have to create a spot color and name it Cut Contour. Make sure to color the cutting path in this spot color. Save the file as Adobe PDF and under Preset, select High Quality Print. Next, open the RIP software and click on the Open button to open the print file. In the job editor, we can select the media and print mode for this print. Here we have transparent acrylic board, and the print mode will have quality print 720 by 1080. Under contour cutter selection, select your router cutter from the drop-down menu and click the Apply button. This will tell the RIP software to automatically add registration marks for your router cutter to the print file. Next, click on the tab Preview and Size and set the checkmark for Mirror Image. And click the Apply button. Click on the tab Color Correction, then Tools, then Spot Layer tool. Make a checkmark on Enable Spot Layer Generation. For Spot Channel, select Spot 1 from the drop-down menu. Spot 1 stands for white color. And in the second drop-down, select Fill Image Area. This will tell the RIP software to print white color over the whole image area. Click the Submit button, which is the printer icon in the top navigation, to save the settings and close the job editor. Next, click on the right side the Print Now button to rip the file and send it to print. Place your acrylic sheet on the printer. You can use the registration pins to easily align it on the flatbed. Turn on the vacuum suction by pressing the vacuum button on the front of the printer. Remove the protective film from the top side of the acrylic sheet and wipe it down with isopropyl alcohol to remove any dust and fingerprints from the surface. The isopropyl alcohol also helps with reducing static on the acrylic. Next, go to the computer and open the UV controller app. Measure the height of your acrylic, then set the X and Y margins at what position the printer will start printing. Because we're reverse printing on acrylic, select for Y print direction forward. Click on the Print button in the top navigation. After the print is completed, turn off the vacuum suction and remove the acrylic sheet from the printer. Send the cutting path from the RIP software to the router and cut out the signs. This is how you create reverse printed acrylic signs with the SureColor V7000 and a router cutter.